Destination Charlie and Rodger went to visit Molly, the Maine Coon cat that had her 3 kittens. At 9:02, they will be hanging out in the barn. That's cool. Rodger shows the 3 kittens Riley, Whiskers, and Denver a game of follow the leader. From the barn from the left side, all 3 kittens are excited about the game and full of pride. Whiskers had a turn being leader and having a blast. 5 seconds later, it was finally Riley's turn at last. Molly tells Destination Charlie about the delicious cream that the farmer gave her and 3 kittens was sensational and sweet. Charlie Destination think that it sounds like a grand occasional treat. Riley told his mother that he was getting better at the game, follow the leader like an absolute pro. Charlie and Destination would say, "Way to go." Riley, Denver, Whiskers demonstrate to Charlie and Destination Rodger how they play roll ball with the ball the farmer had gave. Charlie and Rodger Destination would chant, cheer, and wave. They hung out in the barn for 1 more hour. Then by lunchtime, it was a light, moderate rain shower.